How to sign up for Hulu account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for Hulu account. Hulu is an American subscription streaming service which is known for its extensive selection of current and classic shows for binge watchers and movie lovers. Here's how you can create an account on Hulu. First of all, you'll need to open any web browser on your device. Now, in the search bar of the browser, type in hulu.com. Once you've entered this URL, press on enter button to search for it. And then you will be taken to the official website of Hulu. Once you reach to this website, here you'll be able to see the option sign up for Hulu only. You will need to click on this option and then you will need to select your preferred subscription plan in the next page, whether to select Hulu with no ads or with live TV. To select it, simply click on the select button just below the plan, and once you have clicked on it, you will be presented with this interface. Now here you will need to fill in your email address. Click on the box and type in your email address. After entering your email address, click on this continue button right here. After that, now here you will need to create a strong password for your account. Click on the password box and now create a password for your account. Make sure it contains minimum 6 characters. After entering the password, if your password is strong, you'll be able to see the green line at the bottom. You may also click on the I button at the right side to check the password. And after doing that, now you will need to fill in your personal details. Scroll a bit down and click on this name box. Here enter your name. After that, click on the birth date and then here you will need to enter your birthday in this format. Once after selecting the birthday, now click on this gender box and then choose your gender. Once after doing that, you will need to click on this agree and continue button at the bottom. After doing that, you will need to wait for a few seconds. Now a verification code will be sent to your email address. You will need to wait for the code and once you receive it, enter it in this field. After entering the code, click on this continue button. After that, you will see you have successfully created an account on Hulu. After that, you can click on this profile icon at the top right corner of your screen to view your profile. Now you can start streaming on Hulu. So by following these steps, you should be able to sign up for Hulu account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.